Hey folks, welcome back. Today we're going to do the random drawing for the winner of the X-lite bag from my previous video. Alright, we're going to come to the random comment picker, put the link in there, we'll load the comments. And the random winner is Big Rad. What I need you to do is go into the comments of this video and I'll put my contact information, shoot me an email, and we'll go through some steps to verify you are who you are, and I'll get this bag sent out to you. All right, congratulations, Big Rad. Sorry for everybody else, but hey, stick around, stay tuned. I have plenty of other stuff that I'm planning on giving away. I got a lot of stuff laying around from prior reviews that it needs a home. All right, guys, thanks for stopping by. Like, subscribe, check out the links in the description of this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.